Welcome to Nexus Step by Step training, where we'll guide you through how to edit an existing invoice. Starting on the Overview page, click on Customers from the main menu on the left-hand side. Search for your customer, and once found, click on Open. Click on the Invoices tab and click on Open next to the invoice you need to edit. Click on the value you want to change. This will open the details of that particular service item. Change the price here and click Save. If you're happy with the change, you can click on Save and Generate. We recommend using the one with the PDF icon. We hope you found that useful. Happy learning!